lower jaw. Here's what happens when you drop a rock into the jaw plate. And here's what you have.
What? All that?
Gasoline engine producing 15 horsepower. I'm guessing here on how much gasoline to put in to prime it, to get it to start the first time. If I guess correctly, it's going to start my first try, and then we're going to come halfway through the compression stroke, and then we close the compressor rig and get all over this thing. There it goes. That's mercury. Mercury has a lot of strange properties. One of them,
Mercury?
This is mercury
Oh,
also. See how the rock floats on top of it?
Rock floats